Hi, Jeff Bombile, Device Manufacturing. Yeah, this is our first time to the Cleveland Suppliers Night, so it's been really good. But yeah, we've been to the Indianapolis a couple times, well, 3 times, and then our last one was in Hudsonville, Michigan, the Pinnacle Room. So very good, excellent networking, nice to be among our peers in the industry, and great opportunities too. We've had some good leads, so really enjoy it. Thank you, PMA.
Appreciate the support of the association, and thank you again for coming tonight.